Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. As always, I'm not even going to be on here too long because I just got some stuff that I need to do in the house. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. So, Liv, what are you over there doing? Now, I already talked about whereas though one of my subscribers live, I guess, in the same vicinity as you live at, and they just broke it down real good for me. They just told me there were multiple times when you and Gerard had act like that y'all was on the outskirts, and baby, y'all was not on nobody outskirts. Y'all was still together. So do you have this trolls? The one who like to come in, your comments and oh, they're queens and yeah, that one. All right. That one that believes this skit shit that they do. So I had a couple subscribers. They came in my comments and they broke it down. So with that being said, I will make sure that I add this into this clip. Now, now, the other day, I think it might have been Saturday, you got on here and you were just saying how it's a lot being a single parent and all that type of stuff or whatever. But Liv, this is the thing. What I'm going to tell you to do is put on those big girl drawers that you have, because I know you already got some big girl drawers. Go ahead and slide them on and do whatever you need to do for your kids. You get me? Whatever you need to do for your kids, go ahead and make that happen. All right. Now, you say that Gerard left you and, this and that and that and that and this and that and whoop-de-whoop. So, yeah. I don't know if he left you. I don't know if he just was basically going back home to be with a loved one while she is doing grieving. I don't know. Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. All right, guys. So we are going to be talking about Liv. Liv has got a lot going on this past weekend. From last Thursday to this Sunday, Liv has been doing a lot of acting out. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it acting out, okay? Y'all already know Liv was on her road to doing good and all of that. But y'all already know Liv, anything that she does, she is not a quitter. So she damn sure ain't gonna quit drama. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah, so I happen to, go ahead on over there, whatever. And like she said, Gerard had left, and basically she is saying, she's insinuating that allegedly he left her for good. Okay. But let's break this down. So for one, you said that Gerard does not really have a car. The car is actually in your mom's name. I'm gonna let you know, Stella, if you listening, go get your shit and go get your shit immediately. All right. Now, Liv, you have been running around this whole weekend, like I said, acting a complete fool. You're definitely doing it. I mean, you got some of my subscribers. They are coming right on down into my comments saying that they live right around you in the same vicinity. I mean, they are breaking it down and down and down. All right. And these two ladies, if I'm not mistaken, they have said something to me, I want to say back 6 or 7 months ago. But y'all already know how I do. If I don't feel that it's the truth, if I do feel that it's the truth, Reese, going to do some investigation. Because one thing you will not have me on camera looking a complete stupid ass. Like, remember how Chrissy was when she was on camera, thought that she had something to dox me with, and she didn't research, and she looked stupid. All right, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna detour off of that. So yeah, like I said, so Liv, one thing I'm gonna tell you this, sweetheart. What you may want to do is you may want to lay off of talking about Gerard's mother, his family, his cousins, his uncles, the pet dog that they have, the pet cat that they have, even the mailman that delivers the mail to their door. You may want to go ahead and, come up off of that. Okay. Because, Liv, I gotta tell you, if I was some of his cousins, if he was my brother, I would have kindly came to the apartment where you are at. Well, you bought your house where you were at. You get what I'm saying? And you would have been in there or whatever, trying them tight ass clothes that you put on or whatever, and it would have went sort of like this. Who is it? Gerard's mom. And you would have opened the door. Yeah, and it would have been like, and that would have been over. That's exactly what may happen. So if I was you, I would go ahead. I'm just trying to tell you, Liv, I would just go ahead and lay off, the family, the mom, and you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. You just gotta lay off. I mean, that's all I can say on that. So I actually noticed in the video, you were telling your son that he peed in your bed. Olivia, he's a baby. All right. Why did you have to put him out there on camera talking about you peed in my room and you talked about it over and over and over? Why? What did you gain from putting that out there? All right. So when a child does that, a child does pee in the bed sometimes more than once. But when they do that, I'm going to break it down to you, Liv. Sometimes that means as though they are traumatized. Sometimes it means that they are nervous. Like when the little kids bite their fingers. Yeah, that's a problem. So if I were you, I would go ahead and make some therapy appointments for him, because this little baby may have some things that he wants to get across to you, but better yet, you think that you're a doctor and you think that, oh, he's a kid and he can pee in the bed every once in a while. And that is kind of true. Kids do that. But if I were you, I would take my kid to make sure that there is nothing wrong with him. To make sure he is not thinking anything before he goes to bed. And that's some good shit. I mean, I'm going to tell you like it is. All right. But yeah, it's a little crazy, Liv. I mean, like I said, the two ladies, they just, break it down every time they come in my comments. And I mean, the stuff that they're saying, it's kind of believable. But like I said, I am going to go ahead and put these Texas receipts right into this video. All right, moving on. Now, Chrissy then came on here, y'all, scaring the shit out of me with those eyes. And I mean, it's kind of weird or whatever. But anyway, so she then came on here to talk about the infamous pod that still hasn't been delivered to her lovely home. Now, she began to go back and forth and, a play on words or whatever. But I'm just going to tell you, that's bullshit. All right. Chrissy knows exactly what happened to her pod. She knows exactly where it is right now. Do not believe her, whereas though she said they cannot find her pod. Come on now. She said they could not find her pod. Like y'all already know, I am sitting at my computer, drinking me my favorite Pepsi, all right? And she comes across and says her pod has been lost. I said, this is some bullshit. I mean, when are you just ever going to be honest? Like, I mean, come the fuck on. Now your pod lost, okay. All right. So that makes it easier for someone when they say something in, the comments for everybody. She told y'all that her pod was lost. When she said this and I was looking at the screen, this is exactly how it was. Exactly. I said enough is enough. All right. I said that, like, really? I be wondering how these people on here are able to just come right out with a lie. I mean, right the fuck out. Yeah. Come right out with a lie. With no problem. No stuttering. You get what I'm saying? None of that. They just come right on out with it.